Hi, it's Dr. Mike Marcoux. Let me tell you about our mini session that we now offer. It's a mini session or a touch-up session. Uh, it's meant really for patients who really just need a small amount or who've had work done in the past, who've had a couple hair transplants, and maybe there's just a small amount of hair they need to touch it up. It's priced under $3,000, which is real favorable to most patients, and can be done inside of 2 to 3 hours. It is a strip procedure. And again, it's meant just for a touch-up or even for patients who just are getting into their hair restoration process. Sometimes you're really not comfortable till you see how natural these results really are. So if it's helpful for you to start with a small amount, we offer you that so you're not committing to a large procedure up front. And it'll always look natural. So don't feel like you're getting half of a procedure or something like that. So feel free to contact us about that if you have interest, especially to our old patients who've been doing this for years and maybe they have a need just to touch a small area up, but they don't want to go through a whole procedure or pay for a whole procedure. So give us a call. Talk to Kelsey about that. She'll fill you in. It's something new, and we look forward to providing that. Take care. Bye.